All right, we're going to go through a buy order using the Alpaca Markets API. The language we're going to use is Python. Just on the dashboard here for Alpaca, but first thing we're going to do is go to the actual Alpaca documentation here. Head over to API reference. Alpaca makes it really easy to set up the requests for either posting or getting information. In this case, we're going to create an order. So it'll be a post, but as you can see over here on the right hand side, the request is pretty much built itself already. A couple of the things that you need to make sure that you have in here. One is your key and secret key. So if you don't have these in there, head over to your dashboard. If you don't have these two keys saved somewhere, you can always regenerate them. So you click regenerate. It's going to generate the new keys, and you can grab your key and you can grab your secret key and then just put those right here. Creates the header out of it. You can see it being built in this request. And then in the parameters part, just need to insert a few pieces of information. So obviously this symbol, what we're going to do is NVDA. So that's NVDA. We're going to do 10 shares of NVIDIA. We're going to keep it as a buy and a market order, as well as the time of forces day. So that's pretty much it for setting up the request. Then you just need to actually run the request. So we're going to use a Jupyter notebook. So I'm going to copy this built request here, head over to a Jupyter notebook and paste that in. You can see the entire request is built. It imports the request library. The only thing I want to do is I'm going to add the JSON library because I like to see this printed out a little nicer. So JSON.loads instead of print. And if we shift enter, run that, you can see that it went ahead buy to open. And if we come over to 10 shares for NVIDIA, if we come over to our dashboard, you can see that this was a few seconds ago. It was filled 10 shares in NVIDIA at $121.54. So that's a simple buy order of NVIDIA using the Alpaca Markets API.